Hi everyone, my name is Anna. I greet you from Barcelona, and on this channel I help you to learn Spanish. Today we will talk about the most important phrases you will need when getting to know someone in Spanish. Hola, me llamo Ana y soy tu profesora de español. Vivo en España, cerca de Barcelona. Vamos a presentarnos. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas is the Spanish way of asking what is your name. Te llamas is the second person singular conjugation of the verb llamarse, which means to be called or to be named. Right now, I really suggest to remember both the question and the answer. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Ana. Another way to say my name is Ana is to use the verb ser, which is conjugated as soy in the first person singular. Soy Matías means I am Matías. It's important to know that ser is an irregular verb and its conjugation does not follow a regular pattern. It is necessary to memorize the conjugation of this verb. Let's learn. Yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ellos, ellas, ustedes son. Another way to ask what is your name or what is your surname is ¿cuál es tu nombre y apellido? El nombre is name. El apellido is surname. In this case, the person being asked will respond, mi nombre es Ana. Mi apellido es Toledo. In formal situations, like when dealing with police or at the hospital, you may be asked, ¿podría o podrías deletrear tu o su apellido, nombre? This means to spell out one's name or surname letter by letter. It is important to know the correct names of the letters in Spanish in order to spell one's name correctly. So learn the names of all the letters in Spanish and spell out your name and your surname correctly. If you don't know the names of the letters in Spanish, please check this video. When answering the question, where are you from, it's very important to remember to use the preposition from. In Spanish is de. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? Soy de España. I am from Spain. Or you could say soy español. Soy española. I'm Spanish. In Spanish, we change the ending of the word, in this case the nationality, because of the gender. For example, Antonio Banderas would say soy español, or Penélope Cruz would say soy española. There are several ways to ask for someone's contact information. Some common ways to ask for social media contacts include: ¿Tienes Instagram? ¿Tienes Facebook? ¿Tienes TikTok? Do you have Instagram? Do you have Facebook? Etc. ¿Me das tu móvil? Can you give me your phone number? ¿Me das tu móvil? ¿Me das tu correo electrónico? Can you give me your email? Another way to ask for someone's phone number more formally is: ¿cuál es su número de teléfono? What is your phone number? And the person will respond with: mi número de teléfono es. My phone number is. ¿Cuál es tu correo electrónico? ¿Cuál es su código postal? Which is your zip code, or what is your zip code? And the answer would be: mi correo electrónico es, o mi código postal es. When discussing your email address, it will be helpful to know the names of these symbols. Arroba, arroba, punto, punto, guión bajo, guión bajo. For example, if you're giving your email address, you would say: mi correo electrónico es spanish punto @gmail.com. To end the conversation, it's important to say goodbye. You can use phrases such as hasta pronto, see you soon, or nos vemos, we will see each other. I talk about these options in this video. To thank the person for the conversation, you can say mucho gusto, nice to meet you, or encantada, encantado de conocerte. Nice to meet you. In the next lesson, we will learn more about the verb ser, about countries and nationalities. Subscribe and keep learning Spanish with me. I see you very soon. Hasta pronto.